Tapescript 4.10.1.
I traveled to Phnom Penh for the first time last weekend because I wanted to go sightseeing. I hadn't traveled around since coming to volunteer here at the health center.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yes, but Phnom Penh is busier than Posat. There are more motorbikes and remorques than in the countryside. That made it easier to get around the city.
What did you see?
I went to the royal palace first. The palace is bigger than I thought it would be, but it's not as large as the emperor's palace in Japan. Also, the palace grounds were more peaceful than the outside.
How else does it compare to the countryside here?
Let's see. Well, the traffic is worse in the city than it is here. There were cars everywhere and it seems more dangerous than in the countryside. There are more people and the buildings are taller than they are in Posat.
Do you plan to go back?
I don't know. Maybe. The thing I like about Phnom Penh is there are more restaurants than here. So I was able to eat a lot of different food. The people are as friendly as they are in the countryside, but it is louder than here at night. I don't think anyone sleeps in Phnom Penh.
Sightseeing. Sightseeing. Emperor. Emperor.
Palace. Palace.
Peaceful. Peaceful.